so I'm going to take you for a ride through Naga. I hope the camera's not vibrating too much. I thought I'd sorted the issues out, but there's still a bit of vibration on it. I can't seem to eliminate the vibration totally. As you know, I've been quite poorly with a chest infection. Just when I thought I got rid of it, it started to come back after the course of antibiotics. So I've been to the doctors again for the third time, hospital. They've put me on stronger antibiotics. I'm not sure if it's doing much good because I'm halfway through it. I'm still coughing, although not as bad. But when I've had a chest infection twice in the UK, and as soon as I've gone to the doctors and I've been given amoxicillin or amoxicillin, whatever, however they describe it, it's gone within about 3 days. Here it seems like it just doesn't want to go, and all of a sudden I'll be talking like now and I'll just go into a coughing fit. But see, not so much of a fit, but so anyway, that's why I've not done any video. I do apologise for the lack of videos. I haven't died, I'm still around, but until I'm well, I mean, it's making me feel a bit crap as well, you know, and every time I'm going to go down because I'm going to concentrate as well, obviously. And every time I go outside, that's into Naga, I mean, and I'm following these type of trikes and what have you. The smoke just sets it off even worse. It just makes it happen when you have a mission then you know, I can pull every trike in and make sure they don't go on the road again. Race the summer or anywhere. But when it comes to my monthly budget, I'm not going to be doing a monthly budget and rundown like I've done before. What I can tell you is I'm $85 under budget for this month, because my budget renews again on the 23rd of every month. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to make you aware of any donations that's been made to my website to help me with the videos, to help maintain my website. Before my new website was launched, I got £95 in donations. As soon as the new website was launched, I got £10 before it was took down, and since then it had been put back up, I've got 0 donations. I've been asked to tell people how the donations is coming on with my drone, and so far I've received $5 towards replacing my drone, which obviously has a way to go yet, because there's no way I can put anything towards that. But everything's going okay, apart from obviously my chest infection, which is, like I say, becoming a bit of a drag. This video should then go into a drive down into the hot springs. I'm going down into the hot springs to have a dip to see if that makes me feel a bit better. I just, you know, I had to get out of the house because that was doing my head in as well. day. She wanted to meet me again. She said that she'd like to help me do the videos. So being as I'm good for Hot Spring, why not? So she should be in the marketplace when I arrive. Not knowing Filipino time, she's probably not going to be there. But we'll have a look anyway. Stopped here just to switch the camera on. This is the road that I walk on most mornings from my subdivision, and as I've kept telling you in the past, it takes me to the hot spring. I just think it's so beautiful. You know, I know you probably get sick of hearing me say it, but you know, where I live is absolutely beautiful. There's all clouds around the mountain in the distance there, which I don't think you can see, but this is what I have on my back door every morning, you know. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the walk down from the top where you actually pay the hot springs, down to the actual hot springs itself, to really just yourself when you're in the hot springs. Just paid, it's 200 pesos each to get into the hot springs, and obviously this is the way down to it. If it's been raining and it's wet, it's quite dodgy, especially on the corners, because the leaves off the trees make it very slippy. So if you're on a motorbike, you've got to be extra special careful coming down here. every day. They're really quite good. Normally I don't like the affiliate, but I've been affiliate a couple of times and I'm okay with it. On my bike as well, it's fantastic. Yeah, my bike back in the UK is a Suzuki V-Strom 650 Sport, and I thought I was going to be a bit disappointed with this one, but absolutely not. It's a fantastic motorbike. For the size of engine, it's really good. It's nippy, you know, it's responsive, more than fast enough for around the Philippines anyway. Going to be taking any videos at Hot Springs. I think I've done enough video, and I'm sure you're probably sick of the Hot Springs, so I just wanted to show you this because it's a lovely ride down, and I'm sure at least there's some of my subscribers that appreciate it. Look at this bit here though. I love this bit here. Look at that. How brilliant is that?